One day, we saw an amazing product that caught our attention, a nice cap with LED lights.
We thought about an innovation of this product and we decided to create Energy Fit. It consists in an outfit that allows you to store your own energy. If you charge your cell phone battery with electricity, now you will be able to charge it with solar energy.
How did the idea of Energy Fit arise? Well, we researched about the production of electricity through alternative sources in Mexico, and we realized that the solar energy was the least produced, so we decided to include it in our project.
According to the World Bank Group, the electricity consumption per capita in Mexico has increased almost 3 times in the last 4 years. So, the electricity consumption increases every year. Scientific method.
Observing and asking questions. How many electricity do a crowd of people generate by using a cap with a solar panel included? Inference. We inferred that depending on the weather, the way that a person uses this cap, and the time it is exposed to the sun, the amount of energy generated will increase or decrease. Hypothesis. We will design a cap with a solar panel on it to prove that we can charge a cell phone. Designing an experiment. The purpose of our experiment is to prove whether solar energy is enough to charge the battery of a common smartphone. Steps to follow. Choose a person who wants to prove the energy fit. Make the person to perform some physical activities during different periods of time. Group A during an hour, Group B during 2 hours, Group C during 3 hours. Collecting and analyzing data. Verify the results and define if 3 hours under the sun produces enough energy to charge a smartphone. Drawing a conclusion. Based on our data, we will charge the results, and if needed, we will increase the time in order to find the right number of hours to charge a cell phone.
Next, we are going to show you the process of Energy Fit construction. In this case, we are going to teach you the process to fabricate the cap of Energy Fit.
The materials we're gonna need are a cotton cap, a small solar panel of 3.9 volts, wires, soldering iron and solder, an USB charger, a piece of heat-resistant fabric, needle and thread, an USB adapter, and a silicone gun.
First, we got the wires to manipulate the positive and negative terminals inside.
Then, we join the solar panel wires to the corresponding chargers. Next, we use an USB adapter in order to connect it with the right part of the battery charger. After that, we sewed the solar panel to the cap and we stuck it with silicone to ensure it. Then, we made a hole on the surface of the cap. Next, we put the cables inside we fit into the cap. Finally, we use the heat-resistant fabric to protect and cover the wires.
And that's all. Now you can work with your own Energy Fit cap, and you are already going to store your energy to charge your cell phone.
Now, we're going to show you the final prototype of Energy Fit cap.
First, the heat-resistant fabric will protect the head from the wires.
Next, the cables are going to be hidden inside the cap.
After that, the solar panel and the USB battery charger are going to be on the surface.
And this is going to be our final prototype.
Objective: to promote the usage of alternative and eco-friendly energy sources in order to decrease the level of electricity we use daily. Our project works as an alternative solution to use green energy in activities and processes in our daily life. Therefore, the pollution caused by electrical companies is reduced as a result of less demand by the society. The role of the government in this project is to patronize and establish it in our country.
We hope this project doesn't end just like an idea we had.
With this project, we try to find an alternative source of energy to help the environment and to reduce the consumption of electricity.
Our project is almost ready. The only thing is missing is to improve the design of it in order to make it more attractive for people.
Energy Fit is a creative idea for the decrease of electricity consumption.
It is only a prototype and we have to improve it to make it more portable and practical.
Energy is used in a wrong way, contaminating the world, but we can use natural energies like solar, hydraulic, eolic, and thermal energy.
I participated in this project by investigating about the processes and the materials needed.
I participated in the research of the scientific method of our STEM.
I participate on the investigation of the key concepts and the introduction to the STEM project. My participation in these teams was the researching of statistics and graphs to compare the electricity consumption.
I participated in this project by investigating the chemical processes involved in it. Besides, I helped to develop the prototype.
I participated in writing the objective of this project and how people interact with it.